As a manufacturer, you know the importance of maximizing uptime and reducing waste. You can't make up unscheduled downtime, and the rising cost of materials is putting pressure on your bottom line. How do you maximize ROI from your assets while minimizing lost profitability from downtime and wasted raw materials? New advances in technology can now enable you to monitor, control, and improve operations with IoT solutions you can retrofit to your existing equipment to connect your people, processes, and facilities without code. By deploying smart sensors to monitor your physical assets and environment 24/7, you can improve productivity and quality while decreasing production costs. Monitor, control, and improve operations with data-backed insights. Stream your sensor data into real-time operational intelligence dashboards so you can see at a glance that everything is as it should be and receive alerts when it's not. Deploy quickly with IoT controllers that connect to workflow automation software right out of the box and take corrective action to prevent emergency stoppages and waste. Stream your operational data into a system optimized for high-volume time series IoT record ingestion and visualization. How is this done? By implementing Flowfinity M1 IoT controllers and Flowfinity Streams data management services at your manufacturing plant. How does this work? Flowfinity Streams lets you stream your high-volume IoT data into a dedicated database to monitor activity on an ongoing basis. Your data is automatically structured in an indexed time sequence for simplified interpretation, visualization, and analysis. You can then integrate seamlessly with Flowfinity's workflow automation tools to send notifications and launch corrective actions. Flowfinity Streams is optimized for quickly ingesting high-volume machine-generated data for transmission and archival storage with up to 100 times greater efficiency than existing structured databases. The Flowfinity M1 IoT controller lets you connect the data from sensors on your physical equipment to a digital database, workflows, and dashboards for 24/7 monitoring and control without the need for programming. Workflow automation can identify issues to address machine operation anomalies, create and dispatch service work orders, schedule required maintenance, or take corrective action when needed. You can see how Flowfinity IoT solutions combining Streams and M1 controllers provide seamless and reliable machine data management and workflow automation. Enable better human and machine resource utilization to optimize operations for greater productivity at reduced cost. Flowfinity is the only process management platform that allows you to fully connect your physical assets with your digital processes from endpoint to server, with real-time operational dashboards to automate human and machine-driven monitoring and maintenance workflows, all without code. Thank you for watching and learning more about how Flowfinity can help you optimize cost savings, production quality, and efficiency with IoT solutions combining Flowfinity Streams and the Flowfinity M1 IoT controller. No code, no compromise with Flowfinity. Learn more about how this industry-leading no-code platform can help you meet your production milestones and boost your revenue today.